I have my Galaxy 7 watch here. Really nice. Really cool sports watch. Smartwatch. Um, People have said that the battery doesn't last long, but I don't know. Mine's lasted for about a week without a charge. And I wear it every day. And I've got my screen timer off. But there's so many adjustments. We can change the screen brightness, settings, password, time. You can change everything: language, vibration, battery, display, menu style. We can change all kinds of stuff in here. You got notifications, wake screen, we'll turn that puppy on. Display, let's turn that on. Screen time, we can change that to like 15 seconds. Let's do 20. I like 30 seconds, so we'll do that. Raise to wake, you can change that. It's got so many functions on here. I like this a lot. Clock, free watch time faces. We'll change that to that right now. And then it has all kinds of other functions over here. Let's go. This is today's weather. I'm in Florida and it's 86 degrees today on November 22nd. It might rain tomorrow, which is pretty cool. Once your Bluetooth is set up on your phone, then it automatically syncs to your phone, whatever weather you have set up on your phone. Really cool. It's got heart rate, and it's measuring, but I don't have it on. I've got sleep, so you can do deep sleep and just general sleep, and I don't normally wear that. If you have your phone connected, of course, you can turn the music on and off, but it's disconnected right now. And then you have all your sports settings. I mean, there's so many different ones. You know, you got walking, and so you set this up and you start walking, and it actually keeps track of how many steps you take and what's your pulse while you're walking, etc., etc. And we're gonna quit that, so we go back to the next one, and this keeps track of everything also on your sports, and takes care of your calculator, your calories, steps, tells you how distance, you know, how long you've been walking. Really cool. And this is, you can change the modes of what's going on in here. But just a really nice phone. Watch. I like it a lot. It connects to my phone. You can see incoming phone calls. You can get your text messages through here, and you can get your emails through here, and just really cool. I like it a lot. The battery is beautiful. Perfect little stocking stuffer for someone at Christmas this year. And yeah, I like it a lot. I think anyone that you got it for would love it too.